Good evening.
Yeah. So, in the last class, we have launched a campaign, search campaign. Do you all remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, what we'll do is we will be first. I think someone has stuck with opening a Google Ads account, right? So maybe if they can share the screen and can start doing it, I'll guide how to do it, and post that we'll continue our last discussion. Yeah. So who is that? They want to sign up a Google Ads account, trying to sign up a Google Ads account. Okay, maybe we will discuss that at the end of the class. So we'll continue with last uh, class. Yeah, day before yesterday. Correct. Yeah. So we have launched the campaign. Do you all remember what we did? We have written the ad copy and we have added the ad extensions. So ad extensions are basically the site links, call out statements, phone numbers, right? So couple of such things: image extension, offer extension, discount extension. Are you all following me? Okay. Yeah. So this is the campaign that we have launched in the last class. So look at this. After launching this, Google Ads will start reviewing this campaign and it will approve it. After approving, it shows learning status, learning, right? So minimal the budget or there is no money in the account, more the time it takes for the learning, right? So your campaign status from learning to full performance state goes only when you're actively spending good amount on the campaign, or there should not be much competition. If there is too much of competition also, this learning period can go for an extended period, where if you are not getting much chance to show up your ads quite often, right? So what we have done in the last class up to here, everybody will do it. So maybe today I'll quickly again show what we have done in the last class, and what we have done in the last class, and then what needs to be done after this stage, right? So in the last class what we have done is we have clicked on a new campaign and we have taken the objective. We selected the objective as leads, right? So my suggestion is go with website traffic. One of them, since we have selected leads last time, we'll go with website traffic this time. Yeah. Yeah. And what we have done is I want to go with the search campaign, push marketing campaign. I don't want to waste money simply educating people. So I'm very clear and hence I will go with maybe, yeah, I'll go with search campaign. We'll discuss all of this as well. Right? I'm basically showing what we have done last time. Yeah. And then we have, yeah, website search traffic 7, let it be, and then continue. Start new. Yeah, here bidding we have selected clicks, set a maximum cost per click. I'm not willing to spend more than 10 rupees per click. I can set that. So what happens is based on this, sometimes if the average CPC is higher than this. So if the average CPC is let's say 30 rupees or 50 rupees, then your ads won't show up. Very few times your ads will show up. How do we understand how much to be set? We were supposed to discuss that, but we did not discuss. Anyways, after launching this campaign, we'll discuss how to understand how much amount to be set. Yeah, and then click next. We have unselected these two options. Can anybody explain why we have unselected these two?
Because the ad only show on the search result only.
Here they are showing Google Search Partners Network, and you could see here Parquet domains, YouTube, and lot of other places. So you don't want that to be happening nor display. So unselect them, and you can enter the target location of your choice, and you can also set the radius as well if you want to. Maybe your area and surrounding 5 kilometers. Just for that, go with advanced search, or simply you can select the area also. If you want to set radius, then go with advanced search. Languages we left as it is, and when you click on next, get help creating your ad. I'll skip this. So if we input our URL, so this is AI which will start creating ad, which basically helps you in creating ad keywords and a lot of things, right? So last time we have manually done it, so this time what I'll do is I'll click on, it's generating already. Yeah, let's click on generate. So here you will have to add keywords. Yeah. So keywords also automatically it's suggested, AI suggested. Last class we added it all manually, right? We have added it all manually. And this time AI has suggested something, and that doesn't mean you are going with the same set of things. You can edit or change these keywords, make a wise decision with regard to the keywords. Okay. So for now, I'm not doing anything because this is a test campaign. So if I'm running a SEO agency or digital marketing agency campaign, I would have picked only those keywords. For now, let it be. And ad copy also. See now, look at this. It's all developed by the AI. You see, and ad strength shows excellent. You have to just work on. Maybe I'll write some text. Indian best agency instead of Indian. I might write top rated agency. So anybody has questions with regard to this ad copy or keywords? Keywords I have explained, go with the exact match types or phrase match types of your choice. Right? Yeah, add assets, you can add all of these things. Since we have added it in the last class, I'm not going to add them again. See, site links, it all got generated. Content writing, SEO services, digital marketing, blog center. Yeah, I'll just click on next. And I'm also going to set some budget. Set a custom budget, and I can write any amount of my choice. And it is providing you the estimates how many clicks you can get, conversions. It's still loading. Yeah, 864 clicks, average CPC 4.5, weekly cost is 3,495, right? So I have set the CPC as 10 rupees, but still I might get lot of clicks, and my click is costing somewhere around 7 rupees, 8 rupees as per this data. Why is that so? Because I have set it in the broad match. My keywords are in the broad match, and it can trigger ads for any irrelevant term. Obviously irrelevant or junk or useless will cost less, right? So that's how your average CPC is coming to 4.05. Correct? It's not even 7 rupees, it's 4.05. Clear? So click on next, and your campaign is launched. The biggest mistake in this is not adding the right keywords. One of the biggest mistake in this campaign is not adding the right keywords. This is what most of the business owners do. So we have 10 keywords, and all of these 10 keywords are in the broad match. Are you all following me, everyone? And second
Yes.
biggest mistake most of the digital marketers or business owners do is, so the targeting, they pick all Google search partners and Google display network. Now look at this, after unchecking it is showing just Google search networks, it's not actually picked anything. It's Google search network, that's all, not search partners. Okay, right? So from this you understand you have to be very careful. You are here in this method, keyword targeting and the this networks play a crucial role. You have to pick Google search network but not Google search partners or display partners. And second most important thing is keywords. And third most important thing is not setting it to CPA model, working on clicks model, getting on, that is not a big thing, that's not a big problem. Mainly it is search network and keywords. Search network we are clear, we have eliminated all of it. Keywords we are not clear, but I am assuming that you will be, if you are launching, you will be setting the good keywords, you will be adding the good keywords, because we have already discussed how to get the good keywords. But this is not done yet, right? So this is not done yet. So after launching this, it obviously gets reviewed and then it will be active and it will start serving the ads as well, right? But one another important thing is adding negatives. Another important thing is adding negatives. How many of you have heard or know about this negatives already?
I have heard of it, sir.
I heard of it.
Okay. See, in Google Ads,
I don't know.
yeah, I'll explain it to you, right? So now intentionally I have made this campaign keywords, broad keywords. So I'll go to the campaign. Yeah, seventh one search, or maybe keywords. If you look at the keywords, they are all in broad: website developer, web design, website developers, marketing firms near me, digital marketing near me, marketing help near me, digital marketing agency near me, SEO agency near me. See, all of these keywords are in broad. In broad, what happens? Digital SEO agency, or maybe let me take marketing help near me for free, right? Digital marketing. See, this is what are the people searching for: digital marketing training or agency. You are planning to get the agency service related leads, and now this my digital marketing training institute near me or digital marketing training near me. See how generic. Okay, even if you're adding keywords something like this, right? I'm adding a keyword digital marketing agency. There is no guarantee that your ad will show only for digital marketing agency. Your ad, so now I'm saving this, your ad might appear for digital marketing agency strategies, digital marketing agency revenue streams, number of digital marketing companies or number of digital marketing agencies in Bangalore. So this can trigger for anything. So if your ad is getting triggered or shown for research-based queries, how many digital marketing agencies are there in India? How many digital marketing agencies are there in Bangalore? People must be searching something like this also, correct? But your goal is to rank only for digital marketing agency, but not how many. Are you all getting this? So now you might have to control this properly. If your objective or goal is to rank only for digital marketing agency and not for anything, put it in the exact match. Or if you think you might have to add too many keywords like this in the exact match, and if you're lazy to do that, you go ahead and change this to phrase match, but not broad. Phrase match. Even phrase match will trigger it for irrelevant keywords. Not completely irrelevant, but something can get added to front of in front of this or at the last of this, precedes and succeeds. Digital marketing agency can be preceded by top 10 digital marketing agency and can be succeeded by digital marketing agency business. Digital marketing agency, is it a good idea? People might search something like that also, right? So now you won't be able to control all of that here. Maximum thing is you can change them to broad match to phrase match, or phrase match if you're very much worried that lot of irrelevant keywords will trigger, you can go with exact match. The disadvantage with exact match is when you put it in the exact match, your ad shows up only for this term. If you are intending to store for 500 more keywords, you have to add all those 500 keywords in the exact match. And then also your ads will be served only for those 500 keywords, but there are so many unknown keywords which has potential to drive business for you. You might miss out on that. And moreover, when you put it on the exact match, your CPC will also increase. You are giving explicit condition that I want to wear only gold and not imitation jewelry. You all understand the price of gold and imitation jewelry, correct, everybody? So when you are putting in the exact match, you are telling to Google, I don't want to show for any keyword. Make sure that you are serving ads only for this keyword. And Google says, okay, I will show ad only for this keyword, pay me 90 rupees. If you are putting it on the phrase match, I can show something related to it. I have 1000 more options, something related to it, and I will charge you only 50 rupees. If you are putting in the broad match, I have more number of options and I will charge you only 10 rupees per click. Did you get this concept?
Yes.
Did you understand the advantage here? So you have to go with phrase match. One is your CPC will come down. You basically CPC is coming down because you're able to target a lot of keywords just using this one keyword. So that along with the advantage, the disadvantage is it can also trigger for irrelevant terms. So what we do is, so we go to this shared library, not necessarily to the shared library. I can select here also, and I can click on add negative. Edit. Sorry, I've selected keyword, right? I can add this keyword as a negative. Let me show it to you. Okay, so that is because there is no data, that's why it is not showing here, right? So you will see, I'll show it to you in another campaign. You will see to add it as a negative, I'll show it to you. Before that, see now all of us, we have no clue for what kind of keywords it's going to trigger. So you should not be waiting, okay, so if it is triggering for digital marketing agency investment, I will add the negative then. No, it's not like that. So you have to think of all the negatives. Basically, your business cannot be, don't have to rank for something like people searching for PDF, download, free, correct? So you can eliminate such terms and you can find all of them on the exclusion list. You will not find them, we are going to add them, right? Look at this account level negatives. We have added 808 keywords and look at these keywords how they look like. Catalog, college, 12 principles, 360, abbreviations, about, academy, Accenture. See, this all were basically for services, I believe, or maybe for the trainings. Right? You see here, all of these terms are irrelevant. I don't want to show ads when digital marketing training has any of these terms along with it. Or any keyword that I am considering, any service, any course, all having these kinds of terms is irrelevant to me. So straight away we have added all of this as negatives and we have applied to some of the active campaigns. So we have applied this to two campaigns if you look at this. So digital marketing negatives. So there are 212 negatives. These are not actually, yeah, here are digital marketing negatives. Digital branding course, digital Dhairya course, digital marketing course, Google certification. See from here actually the keywords are related to digital marketing. So even this is indicating people are searching for research based query. People are researching how many institutes are there. Digital marketing plan, digital marketing projects for students. Correct. digital marketing software, diploma, download. We should not get all of this garage, Google, all of these things here. We usually add them under the account level negatives. So you can add negatives at the account level and apply those negatives to every single campaign on the account. And you can say SEO negatives. My SEO campaign should not trigger for digital marketing, email marketing, PPC, Google Ads, something like that. And hence you see terms like Facebook marketing, email marketing. And for email marketing, my negatives will be Google Ads, SEO, PPC, HubSpot, something like that will be negatives for my this campaign. Social media. Are you all getting it? So basically what we are doing here is we are creating a list of terms for which we don't want to show ads. Clear? And after creating, we are selecting this and apply to campaigns. So I have created new campaigns, one today and one day before yesterday, and I am simply applying. So here it changes to 4 now. So look at this. I have applied these negatives to 4 different campaigns. Clear? Now I have launched about the digital marketing training day before yesterday. I am going to apply digital marketing negatives to my campaign. Apply to my campaign, which was that this one evening last week. Clear? So you can create any number of lists like this. Here just click on plus, name it as SEO training, SEO training negatives. So what am I telling? If any keyword contains PPC, don't show ad. If any keywords contains digital marketing, I don't want. See why I'm adding digital marketing here? I don't want two campaigns to be conflicting with each other. All of this could be related to my business only. You might question, okay, what is wrong if your SEO campaign is ranking for a keyword like PPC? Your company is doing PPC also, correct? You might ask that question. The problem here is PPC keyword is already targeted from PPC campaign and PPC campaign is triggering for that keyword. Now again, if SEO campaign also starts ranking for that, internal competition develops. So now whichever is performing well or maybe whichever has higher CPC, now that will be consumed or your CPC naturally goes up or your keywords, your PPC keyword campaign may not perform well at all. Are you understanding this, everybody? If
Yes,
nobody
sir.
is if nobody is buying tomatoes in the market, the price of the tomatoes comes down to 1 rupee. If everybody are willing to buy, the price automatically goes up. Correct? So same way, if every campaign is triggering for PPC keyword, digital marketing training, SEO training, email marketing campaigns, all these campaigns are triggering for PPC keyword, and also your PPC campaign is triggering for PPC keyword. Correct? Now competition is high, right? So that way, it's bad. See now this is a negative added for SEO and hence you should never add SEO here. If you add SEO as negative, your this campaign will never show up for negative keywords. Right? So this way you can increase the list based on your research. So now SEO training negatives are created and I can apply to this negatives list only to my SEO campaign. Where is SEO? SEO is here. So I can apply maybe for this also. Because in this list there is no SEO term. It contains PPC, email marketing or other types of negative terms. Clear?
So these negative keywords we will take after the keyword research. Are those things done?
So usually we find out all of this through a keyword research. Okay. So keyword research is one thing and our experience. So if you are working regularly on Google Ads, you'll be able to understand. See now, for example, you are selling some food products, and you know food usually people search recipe, YouTube, video, correct? All these terms. So now, though your campaign is about mango pickle, you will naturally start okay adding YouTube, video, recipe, images, photos. All this has negatives. You can think and you can add. You don't need a thorough research or you don't have to wait until your ad gets triggered for all irrelevant terms. Right? I'll show it to you another example. Currently they are all inactive, so I'm taking more time. So these are all different products, and you have got different set of keywords. So if you look at the negatives here, see one word negatives. We have added, see ads, says shopping campaigns work in a different way. Shopping campaigns work slightly different way. We will look into that as well. So you are not going to input any keyword for shopping campaigns. So they can trigger for, they might, there are good chances that they will trigger for any type of terms. Only for one word also. So we have added all one words as negatives. Not only one word, there's so many other negative types. For example, banana chips negative. So this will contain negatives like potato chips, aloo chips, or maybe some other, see, banana chips. So this can contain keywords like, so this is banana chips, right? So I will add potato as a negative. Are you all getting it now? So this being the shopping campaign, you're not adding any inputs while launching the campaign. You are just selecting the products. Based on the product name, your ad will be served on Google for anything that's closely related, something like potato chips or jackfruit chips also. Hence, we are adding them as negatives for banana chips campaign. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now how does this work is, so even before launching the campaigns, you have to also get ready with your negatives. You cannot afford to lose money, waste money like that. So you are going to add lots of negatives even before you launch your campaign. Account level negatives, campaign level negatives, ad group level negatives. You can add negatives at the ad group as well. Maybe if I go to the campaigns here, since this campaign the money is being spent, you will have an options to add the negatives at the campaign level. Okay, here keywords. Okay, that is under search terms. See, I can select this. I can remove it. I can pause it. This is also not active. Yeah. Here. It is showing simply whatever is been negative for it. Let me pick search campaign if there is any search campaign here. These are all shopping campaigns. These shopping campaigns work in a different way. I'll show it to you how the shopping campaigns also work. Okay, I'll show it to you in another account. But you all understood, right? How to launch a campaign and launching after launching the campaign, what and all you should be doing, correct? The most important thing is on a daily basis, when your campaign is new, on a daily basis, you have to download the search terms. Search terms are basically list of terms or the keywords that people have used and for which your ads have appeared. I have selected only one campaign here. Let me remove. campaigns all are there. Any questions, guys? Sorry, I'm doing one wrong thing actually. The old dashboard is running on my right. So for the keywords, so here you will be able to exclude them as the negatives. See, basically search terms. See, search keywords are your input keywords. Search keywords are your input keywords, and your input keywords can trigger ads for few thousands of keywords, and those few thousands can be seen here. Right? How many keywords are there total? 41,832 keywords for which your ads have appeared. Your input keywords will be, let's say, some 400 or 40 or 300, whatsoever. Right? Now you can add this as the negative. See, add as a negative. Yeah, at the ad group level, at the campaign level, to the negative list. Negative list, you can pick any negative list that you have created and you can add it as a negative. So this website, this account might have ranked for, let's say, some 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs keywords. Okay, I'll just filter, remove this term. Yeah, look at this. See, if it is added as negatives, it will be seen as excluded. You see here, yeah, you look at this. This is already added as a negative, and hence you will see excluded. See, before it's added as negative, already it has got 3 clicks and there's wastage of 5 rupees. Alsi Laddu. So if this company is not selling Alsi Laddu, there is no point of showing ad for this. You can add that as a negative. I'll show it to you how to process the negative. See, 3,30,000 keywords. See, for 30 products or 50 products uploaded, these products have triggered for 3,30,000 keywords. And of this 3,30,000 keywords, not every keyword is a good keyword. A lot of them will be irrelevant. You will see that. Let me show it to you. Everybody, are you getting it? What I'm explaining? Please ask questions if you're not clear. This is still loading. See, here excluded, what you see here as excluded, just scrolling, yeah. For in general, for pickle shopping, it is excluded, but not, this is exclusion at the campaign level. Campaign level in the sense, pickle shopping might contain pickles lemon pickle, chili pickle, tamarind pickle, or only veg pickle. So for that, chicken pickle is added as a negative. ₹10 toys. See, this company sells sugar toys, but it is showing ad for ₹10 toys. So it has to be excluded, right? Before that, there is one click already, and wastage of around ₹3. See, there is so much data to study, and based on this data, you can launch more web pages or product pages also on your website. A to B, A to B cashew pakoda price. So this company doesn't sell A to B cashew pakoda price or any of the A to B products. So ideally speaking, you have to go to your account level negatives and you have to add A to B as negatives. So there is no assurance or guarantee that A to B will not get any kind of leads. Sometimes you bidding on the competitors can also can get very good leads or sales. So these decisions have to be made based on the data. So people are searching A to B, but they are not buying from any product from you. Then you stop showing up for A to B related product searches. So if people are searching A to B laddu and they are brought to your website, and if it is converting, there is no problem. You continue it. Clear? Maybe I'll pick some negatives here. You will get better idea. Search terms. Digital marketing training search Bangalore, right? So this campaign, we have inputted, let's say, some 3 4 keywords, and those 3 4 keywords have triggered so many keywords. And if you go through this, you might find some irrelevant terms also. See, what you see here added is the only keyword that's added to your account. You see added here, this is your actual input keyword, this is also your input keyword. These are all triggered based out of your input. Digital Marketing Institute is the input keyword. Contra Digital we have excluded. We don't want for our brand keyword our ad to be shown. Digital marketing training is also an input keyword. Digital marketing training is also. Okay. 1 second. Hello. Hello. Yeah. 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 Hi. Nikhil, right? Nitish. Nitish. Sorry. Nitish. Yeah. Nitish, I'm in the class. Shall I call you back in the 10 15 minutes? Yeah. Sure. Oh. Yeah. You see here, best digital marketing course in Bangladesh. People are searching from India in Bangladesh. So Bangladesh has to be added as negative. So we will have one dedicated class handling negatives. So when there are millions of terms, thousands, not millions, you will find thousands. And if you see Contra Foods, there were hundreds. See, now people are searching digital marketing course in Trichy. Canara Digital is providing course in only Bangalore, and there is no point of showing ads for somebody searching in Trichy. It's waste of money. They will click on the ad, they will come to your website, but they will not convert. Right? Jaipur. Did you all understand, guys?
Sir, what is this average CPM?
CPM is cost per million impressions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So they are charging you for the impressions. So now there is one display campaign as well, and hence this column is available here. Actually, otherwise it is it will be CPC, average cost. That is 39 rupees, 18 rupees. This is the actual cost. This is not the cost, this is not the spend. So if at all, if you are going for an impressions for this keyword, the CPM might cost you this much. So that is almost 3 rupees a click or even impressions. But click is costing you, look at this, click is costing you 86 rupees, 57 rupees, 15 rupees, 27 rupees, 59 rupees. So these are not your input keywords. Based on your input keywords, your ad was shown for all of these keywords. But then this contains a lot of negative irrelevant terms also. Maybe we'll freshly work on this Canva digital account only, dealing with the negatives also. Okay. See indoor, value, Calicut. See, look at this. I was telling you, right? We are sometimes can be a wastage of several lakhs also, several crores also, right? So let's assume this is data of one day. If you are spending 30,000 rupees on your Google Ads, so you might see your ad triggering for a lot of terms. Digital marketing beginners. What does this indicate? Do you think this will get any conversions? Sometimes may not get any kind of conversions. So in those cases, you will pause this keyword. Biz Gurukul. It's irrelevant. Any questions? Look at this keyword. Do you all read that? Can you all read that?
Yes, this is really funny.
Digital marketing course में क्या होता है? So this is wastage. So now going one by one like this also can be a bit time taking thing. So we have a method or an approach for this. We'll discuss that also. Right? You all understood how to launch a search campaign and how to make avoid the wastage.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So upfront you can add lot of negatives, right? So but that is not sufficient, that's not enough. You cannot really think of something like this digital marketing course mein kya hota hai. You cannot think of it. Like as you notice, you will start adding more and more negatives, and initially when the campaign is new, you might have to do this exercise every day or every alternate day for several days, and after that only your campaigns will be more mature and the wastage will be negligible, and whatever you are investing will be invested only on the good keywords. Clear? And it doesn't stop there. So if the keyword is digital marketing certificate, digital marketing training, digital marketing institute, digital marketing course, each of these keywords work in a different way. Some of the keywords might get return on investment and some other keywords will not get return on investment. Did we discuss return on investment calculation? Everybody? Did we discuss how to calculate return on investment?
Sir, I think we had looked at it.
We have discussed, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, some business owners think, maybe I'll show it to you again on the example. See, this ends with we are done with search campaign, but I want to discuss few more things related to understanding what is ROI, right? So maybe I will take some example. Where is our sheet? We have discussed. I don't know if it is okay. No issues. I'll tell you. Okay, so let's say your keyword is digital marketing course, digital marketing training, digital marketing institute, digital marketing classes, digital marketing course online. Okay, So let's assume these are 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords. This got 20 sales, 30 sales, 4 sales, 3 sales, 0 sales, digital marketing certification, 1 sale, right? Now looking at the keywords, you think all of them are relevant, correct? Correct? And you will generalize all of these keywords are good keywords and are working for you, correct? Are you all following me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct. Even though this does not get
Yes.
any leads or sales, there are chances that still you might ignore this. Ignore in the sense you might consider this is relevant, but just that did not get sales, right? So for now I'll eliminate this. We'll discuss only this, right? See, now look at this. You are not going to continue. I'm telling you, you are not going to continue this keyword. You're not going to continue, let's say, this keyword which I have bolded. You might ask me, Manjunath, there are 4 sales here. Why do you want to block this keyword? Why you don't want to rank for this keyword? Will you be able to explain me why I should be blocking this keyword though this has got 4 sales for us? Simple reason is no ROI. What does this mean? No ROI means. Okay. So to understand this, let's understand how much have you spent for this 20 lead. How much have you spent for these sales? So let's take it as per sale you spent 30,000 or maybe 20,000. Even before that, let's make an assumption of the course fee. Course
That is 20,000 is per sale, or it is for the entire 20 tickets?
per sale.
Okay.
Okay. So digital marketing course fee per sale is 20,000 rupees. I will change these numbers. For now, I'm just adding it like this. Right now, for 20 sales, how much have you spent? 4 lakhs. So this is spend. This is cost per sale. CPA, cost per acquisition. Spend. Now, uh, revenue. Revenue made. So if your course price is 35,000 rupees, 35,000 rupees into 20,000, you made 7 lakhs revenue. Correct? Profit or loss is equal to 7 lakhs minus spent 4 lakhs. How much is the profit? Right? So, do you see here why I told I will not bid on, continue bidding on digital marketing training? Though it has got 4 sales, the ROI is minus 20,000 rupees. That is, you have invested 1,60,000 rupees and you got a revenue of only 1,40,000 rupees. So loss is 20,000. So people don't measure or understand all of these things. They simply conclude, okay, digital marketing training has got 4 sales, so this is a good keyword and I will continue bidding on this keyword. No, look at this. For such a minimal spend of 3,000 rupees, you have got 32,000 returns. So what will I do? I will move all the spend, whatever I have spent here, 1,60,000 rupees. Now if I am investing that 1,60,000 rupees, what happens here? If I am investing 1,60,000 rupees and if each sale is costing me 3,000, how many sales will I be able to get? So that's going to be basically this equal to 1,60,000 rupees divided by 3,000 rupees, and the number of sales that you get is, there is some formula here, let me change. This is based on the formula, data is coming here. So equal to 1,60,000 divided by 3,000. So you will be making at least 53 sales if you rather invest on digital marketing certification instead of training institutes. Are you all getting it?
Yes.
Did you all understand this example?
Yes.
Right? So first scenario of elimination is straight away negative. Digital marketing course क्या होता है? Something like this, correct? Digital marketing course free. Digital marketing course YouTube. See, people are searching like this and your ads are getting triggered and lot of money is getting wasted, and your cost per acquisition instead of 20,000 rupees, if it is all these kinds of keywords are consuming, it might go to 25,000. Why is it going to 25,000? Only 10,000 is spent on this keyword and remaining 15,000 is spent on these kinds of wastage. Out this did not contribute for any sale and this has contributed for some sale. But when outcome has to be measured, so it is something like this. So in your organization there will be a team, 10 people, sales people, the sales team, right? So some of them must be doing exceptionally good, and each of them, so let's say some of them must be getting 20 sales, 15 sales, correct? But now the founder of the company is not measuring the performance of an individual. He's simply concluding, okay, each salesperson is getting 10 sales or leads. No, some of you have got 20, some of the salespeople have got 20 sales, 30 sales, and few others have got only one sale. So now this founder is generalizing, on an average everybody has got 10 sales. There are 10 people and there are 100 sales. So for every sale each person will get incentive of 1000 rupees and every person will get 10,000 rupees incentive, and even the one who has got zero sales also will get 10,000 incentive. So here same way the keywords which have not performed also will be counted in this, and it will be measured as all of them together have contributed for 20 sales and cost per sale is 20,000 rupees. So now if you can eliminate or remove all of these irrelevant keywords, your cost per sale might come down to 10,000 rupees and your profit is 5 lakh rupees. Your spend is only 2 lakh rupees for 20 sales. Did you all get this? So in the next class, we will work on the search term reports. That's when you will get a better idea or understanding of these keywords. Yeah. So one is, yeah, please.
Sir, but the thing is, the calculations I'm able to understand, but then how do we know the CPA or the sales from our Google Ads?
Okay, so usually we will go by, see for something like training companies, you won't see sales happening directly on your website. So there is an intermediate stage called lead, right? So first stage is clicks or traffic to website, second is lead and lead to sales, right? So what we do in this case is we calculate cost per lead, not sales, and we know from leads how many sales we get. So your conversion rate, if you're dealing with 100 leads 100, right? You might know that out of that 30% you might be able to sell. That is conversion rate. Are you all understanding this? What is this conversion rate? When 100 leads are given to you and if you are speaking to 100 leads, only 30% of them will convert on, right?
Yes.
Right? 30% conversion rate, or maybe I will mark it as 9% conversion rate. So now this is not 100 leads, this is 156 leads. Okay. So now total sales is 156 into 9%, that is 14 sales. You got 14 sales. Now you already know. See, now you can calculate. See, this is not calculated on the Google Ads accounts. For e-commerce and some other businesses where payment happens directly on the website, we'll be able to calculate there. Even in this case, you will be able to calculate, but the calculation becomes offline, right? So you know you should have clarity that these 56 leads have come from Google Ads. This 156 leads are from Google Ads, and Google Ads, this is also related to Google Ads only. This is also related to Google Ads only, all the data. Now when it comes to SEO, maybe instead of writing Google Ads here, I will write it here. Now let's take SEO. From SEO, or maybe I'll take Facebook, FB. From FB leads, you have got 500 or 5000 rupees, and FB conversion rate is 0.01 percentage, right? And total sales of FB channel is now equal to this into 1. So maybe this is, I'll make it as 1%, 0.1 percentage. So you got 5 sales, right? Now for this, how much have you spent? Spend is, let's say, 50,000 rupees. And for this also, FB also, you have spent 50,000 rupees. Now ticket price is 35,000 rupees, and here also ticket price is 35,000 rupees. So revenue made is, so revenue equal to 35,000 into sales. So here revenue equal to 35,000 into 1,75,000. Okay. So now how are you calculating? You see, now you will be able to calculate the leads. You will be able to track the leads, source of the leads. See, what we will be doing is on the Google Ads, we will discuss that. We will be setting the conversion pixels. So when somebody is coming to your website from Google Ads, you will be able to track that they have come from Google Ads. I'll show you one example here. Okay, let me take last month. Yeah. You see here, we are tracking the leads. So how many leads have you got? Impressions, cost, bid strategy, conversion. Conversion. See, VLSI search Bangalore, you have got 34 leads, and average CPC is 47. So cost per conversion is 667 rupees. See, this is not cost per sale. This is cost per lead. That's all. So now, if you have to calculate cost per sale, what we will do is we will know this 34 leads. Who are these 34 leads? So total there are 60 leads. For 60 leads, how much have you spent? 34,000 rupees. And out of this 60 leads, if you are converting 10, if you are converting 10 leads, so the cost per acquisition is 34,000 divided by 10. So the cost per lead is 34,000 divided by 59, that is 570 rupees. Cost per conversion. On your Google Ads, you have to compulsorily set up the conversion pixel. That's when you will be able to also understand which keyword is getting business and which keyword is not getting the business for you. Right? So here is one example. Maven Silicon is a competitor for this company. Right? And what is the spend? Cost is 1700 rupees being spent, but there are no conversions, zero conversions. VLSI course keyword has got 4 conversions. VLSI course from a different campaign, again Bangalore and Hyderabad, has got 3. VLSI course, Maven Silicon course fees. See, whomsoever are searching Maven Silicon and clicking on these ads, they are clicking and the money is getting wasted. Like 15 clicks. 15 clicks into 52 rupees is 783 rupees. 783 rupees plus 1800 rupees. 2500 rupees waste already, correct? There is one more keyword here, Maven Silicon, and the spend is around 128 rupees and zero conversions. Best VLSI training institute in Bangalore has got 4 conversions. That is, conversions are the leads here. Are you all understanding this?
Yes.
Right? See, somebody searching VLSI course in Bangalore fees, there are two conversions, and cost per conversion is 383 rupees, 388 rupees. This is 208 rupees, and some other would have got at a very less price also. See, this is 1400 rupees. I gave you right some example sometime back. So this keyword VLSI course in Bangalore is costing 1400 rupees per conversion. Right? There are some other keywords. VLSI coaching centers in Hyderabad, 169 rupees is the cost per conversion. And how many conversions have they got? Two. This has got three. VLSI first is the brand keyword. Somebody who is searching for VLSI, they already know VLSI. There are good chances that they will inquire. 25% is conversion rate. That is traffic to lead rate, and cost per lead is only 74 rupees. Right? Did you all understand? So when you know how many leads you have got from Google Ads or from Facebook, right, it becomes easier to understand cost per acquisition also, right? So now how will you calculate cost per acquisition? Cost per acquisition is nothing but 50,000 divided by 5, which is coming to 10,000 rupees. Same way, cost per acquisition from Google Ads is 50,000 divided by 40, that is coming to 3561, right? See, in this case, in Google Ads, even if the CPC is 50 rupees, still your cost per sale, final sale is 3561. Here your CPC could be only 2 rupees, but still your cost per acquisition is 10,000 rupees. Many business owners don't understand. They simply say Facebook per click is costing me only 2 rupees, Google Ads is costing me 50 rupees or 100 rupees, so I will not work on Google Ads, I will work on Facebook Ads. That's another wrong decision from business owners. They have to understand what is the final result. Just because imitation jewelry is cheaper than gold, you will go and buy imitation jewelry and fool yourself that it's a gold. Exactly the same is happening with many business owners. They go and spend on Facebook and Instagram. They say it's very cheaper for me. What is use of you buying junk or the wastage that's ideally would have gone to dustbin, and you are buying it and keeping it at home? Look at this. CPA is 10,000 rupees, and here CPA is only 3,561 rupees. Did you all understand how to calculate the CPA for your campaigns?
Yes.
So CPL you will be able to calculate. CPL is very easy on Google Ads platform itself. It will be available even if you are not tracking it. CPL equal to now this equal to 50,000 divided by not sales, sorry, 156 divided by 156. The CPL is 320 rupees. Clear?
Yes, sir. But the important part is knowing that that particular lead is from Google Ads.
Yes. That
That
can
is an
be
important part.
yes. That can be
Yes.
understood easily when the tracking pixels are set properly. We will have a discussion about that. We'll understand how to set up the tracking pixels on the Google Ad account. It is very important. We don't work on Google Ads account without setting the conversion pixels. We get to see some clients coming to us with no idea, with a very worst content management systems, worst platforms. They'll now have no ID on the process, no session, form IDs. So they'll have multiple subdomains. It's very difficult. It's not just about setting up the tracking. Sometimes even after setting tracking, it doesn't get attributed to Google Ads. It goes to some other channel. It's quite difficult to address such clients. And always it will be concluded as Google Ads are not working. If you are not able to track, how can you conclude Google Ads is not working? Correct? Clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.